Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Dougherty. I'm here in my office in Spokane, Washington with Jill and Briella. Today I'm going to show you an adjustment on a baby, Briella. Briella's how old now?
She's almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months. So she's had a couple adjustments. We're going to adjust her again. Just want you to know that it's totally safe to adjust babies. You'll see it's a slightly different technique than we use on the big tough guys, and probably even Jill here. So why don't we go ahead and put Briella on her stomach first.
Okay.
And I'll just sit here behind Briella, and we're going to look at her. And she's almost good enough that we can look at leg lengths, but not quite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move her leg a little bit, make sure both of her hips move. And sometimes you got to move a little bit to get them to relax. And she's been kind of extraordinary all along, where most kids are stuck here. And she is a little stuck here today. I'm going to have Mom touch Briella with the other hand and push up here. And push. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is use this vibration on Briella to loosen up her tailbone, because the tailbone controls what happens up in the head via cerebral spinal fluid. We want her to have a good nervous system. So we just do this. This hip was a little stuck, unlike it was the first couple times. Good girl, Briella. And that should be enough. Babies generally don't take much. And she's a little bit better, but we're going to give her a little tap. This thing just goes really quick. And we get, that's probably all it'll take. And then we get her to relax again, and she's better, but we're going to do a little bit of outward movement here. And try and there's, now she moves really well. And I want Mom to touch again, and we'll just kind of go up and push. And I don't think she needs any adjustments in here. So what we'll do is turn you over. There you go. You're such a good patient for a little girl. Yes, you are. You're even good for a little boy. Straight up in the air. You can even look over. There, you feel pretty good there, but probably we're going to find you're a little stuck out right there. So go ahead and touch her again, and we'll just confirm that. And push up. And push. And push. And push. Okay, so probably what this means is, yeah. So now when we try to wobble her, her skull doesn't wobble down on her neck. That's going to cause her discomfort. So we're just going to loosen that up. But we're going to loosen it up by pushing from here. And move this bone across just a little bit. I know that's the side you don't like people to touch, huh? And then we'll do this direction too. Good. Okay. Then I'm going to give her just a little tap right here. And then we're going to see if she wobbles. Oh yeah. She's more wobbly. Oh, okay. You have enough? Yeah, sit up. Let's go ahead and sit up. Because you did your job. Did your job.
Good job.
Look how tall she is now.
Good job.
Okay, this is Dr. Patrick Dougherty again. Our office is in Spokane, Washington, 2110 North Washington Street. And you can reach me at 509-327-4373, or you can go to my website at www.spokane-chiropractic.com, and we're always here to help you and your children. Thank you very much.